Looking to send money from the US to Mexico effortlessly? Ria makes it quick and easy. Start by logging into your Ria app or website, then tap Send Money. Choose Mexico as your destination and pick your preferred delivery method: cash pickup, bank deposit, mobile wallet, or even ATM access. Next, enter how much you want to send. You will see the exact fee and exchange rate before confirming. The fee varies depending on your payment method and delivery option. For example, funding via bank transfer often has the lowest fee, while using a card is faster but might cost a bit more. Then add your recipient's details, full legal name, phone number, and if you're sending to a bank, their account information. Make sure everything matches their ID. It keeps things smooth and avoids delays. Once you pay, Ria will send you a reference code and pick up or deposit information. If your recipient is picking up cash, they can usually get it within minutes at one of Ria's 55,000 plus partner locations in Mexico. Tracking is real time in the app or online, so you'll both see when funds are ready. Feeling good about sending money to Mexico? If also, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share it with anyone you know who sends money abroad.